Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a dark gray metallic 2014 Subaru Impreza WRX, stock number A7235. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires. You do have Dunlop tires here. Inside there is a black and gray upholstery. It's a cloth upholstery with a red stitching for the trim. That is in excellent condition. With seating for 2 up front and seating for 3 in the second row, you've got room for 5 in this Impreza. Taking a quick look down the passenger side. You do have keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Subaru today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are carpeted floor mats. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls, and on the right-hand side, you've got cruise control buttons. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a manual transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Subaru or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.